To find the surface area of the cylinder, so we start with the cylinder right here. And then if you cut that cylinder right down the middle, and then cut this side out, like a can, think of a can opener. You open the can, you get the lid, you open the can on the bottom, you get the other lid, take the lids, put it on the side here, and then cut down the middle, and you get this. Okay, that is called the net. This is called the net of the cylinder. So to find the area of the surface area of the cylinder, you need to find the area of the circle and the area of the rectangle here. Okay. The tricky part here is that the distance from here to here, so this distance here, is actually the circumference. So that distance is right here. Okay, so that distance is this distance around the circle. That's the circumference. Circumference is 2 pi r. So that distance is 2 pi r. And this is your height of the cylinder. So to find that area, it's length times width, or width times length. So 2 pi times h will give you the area. So equals 2 pi r times h. Okay, that's the area of that. And then the area of the circle is, area of this circle is pi r squared. Okay, so that means you have two circles, so it's twice that amount. So then the total surface area then, we'll do it in blue. Area then is, so total surface then is, we'll call it, total surface area then is equal to TSA, total surface area, is equal to the area of this right here plus the area of this. Okay, so we have 2 pi h RH, sorry, I forgot the R there. Okay, plus 2 of these area, so, oops, not that, but this one right here. So twice that pi r squared, okay? That is the total surface area of a cylinder. Okay, so the next thing is we're going to look at surface area of a cone. To find the surface area of a cone, again, you have to look at a couple things. First, you turn the cone into a net. So if this was a can in shape of a cone, you take a can opener and cut that lid open. And there's that lid right there, you cut it open. And then leaves you with a shell that's like a cone. If you cut that cone in half, you get this, and open the cone up, you get like a piece of pizza pie, if you can think of it that way. Right? So now once you're there, just like finding the area of a circle by looking at the triangular shape, very small triangular shape, in fact. So we take a triangle. We want to know how many triangles, area of triangles would fit into this segment or section of piece of pizza of the pie, I guess you can say. So if you look at that, we're going to call this distance L, okay, the slanted height, and also height goes this way too. Remember, the cone is open out. So this is also L, that's L. So we want to find the area of one triangle, and the base has a distance of 1. And then the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Height is our L here, the height. And it turns out that when you take half of 1, it's half. So I can put a 1 there. Half of the base is 1/2. So half L. So the area of the triangle is half L. Okay? So that means that to find how many triangles will fit in here, so we get like a pretty good estimate of the area of this piece of pie here, section of it, section of the circle or pizza, if you can think of it that way, like a slice of pizza. So we want to find that area. So to do that, you have to realize that when you fold this into a cone, this distance is the same as that distance. So that's 2 pi r, which is the circumference. So this distance is the circumference. Okay? So therefore, we have everything. We know the distance of this, right, or the area of this would be 2 pi. So let's say the area of this, area of the lateral area of a cone is equal to 2 pi r, that's the total distance from here to here, times 1/2 L, okay? That reduces to, the 2 gets canceled out because 2 times 1/2 is 1. So we just get 1. 1 times anything is that thing, so we get pi, our L is our lateral. So, and then we know that the area here for this circle is pi r squared. So we add this area plus this area will give us the total surface area, okay? So the total surface area would be of a cone is equal to pi r L, that's the lateral area, pi r L is this section here, plus this area, which is the circle, plus pi r squared. And this is the total surface area of a cone, okay? That would be our answer there, total surface area of a cone. All right, the next thing we're looking at is surface area of rectangular prism and slash pyramid prism. For this, so you know the area of a triangle already. There's 2 of them. The area of the triangle is 1/2 base times height. There's our height there. And then for the area of the rectangle, you should also know that too as well. So if these 2 rectangles were the same and this one is a different one, then you find, let's say, length and width here. And so you're going to say for the total surface area of the pyramid, total, let's use a different color here. Okay. So total surface area would be, here we have the pyramid. So we're going to get, we have 2 of them, so it's twice. So if you have twice 1/2 plus, so twice this right here is actually just 1, so it's just BH, base times height, okay? So twice that is just base times height, total surface area. And then you have twice length width plus 2, and then plus, plus, I'm going to continue on here, plus the green part. So that would be width times length as well of the green part area there. Length times width, okay? And that would be the total surface area of the pyramid, okay? So it's BH, base times height. That's for the triangle here. And we can do it in red here. So because it's twice, the area of a triangle is a half, but if you twice that, it'll be just 1. You know, because a half is 1. So B times H, okay, that would be this area here, twice that. And then twice width times length, so it gives you these two. So width and length is the area 1, twice is 2, and then another one here. Okay, and then for the rectangular, so this is the rectangular one right here on the bottom. So we have length times width, depends how many we have here, so length times width, so these two are the same. And then here we'll say these two are the same. That's length times width as well. So we say length times width, W there. And then this one is a different color too, or a different, oh, let's use green. Okay. So you have to add all the areas of those up to get your total surface area. So total surface area of a rectangular prism would be, so we have here length width, okay, length times width, there's 2 of those, plus there's 2 of these, length times width, okay, plus that green length times width one, there's twice this one, plus just 1 this green area here. Okay, and that is it. You just have to add your numbers. So it's important to do the nets. Okay, find the distance of the net, and then just add them up, and then you get your total surface area. All right, that's it. I'll see you next time. Bye.